In this video, we will learn how to derive the IS and LM equation and how to find out the equilibrium level of income and rate of interest. The question is, in a Keynesian model with money, the behavioral equation are given as consumption is equal to 0.8 times the level of income. Investment is the negative function of rate of interest, that is I is equal to 102 minus 0.2 r. Demand for money is equal to 0.25 y minus 0.2 rather 2.5 or that is demand for money is the positive function of income, which is y, and negative function of the rate of the interest. Okay, money supply is being given us as 100, which is exogenous or fixed. We have to write down the IS and LM equations first, then evaluate the equilibrium value of income and rate of interest. Okay, so given this data, so let us first find out the IS and LM equations. So to find out the IS equation, which gives us the money, rather goods market equilibrium. So goods market is in equilibrium when our total income is equal to the total consumption expenditure plus total investment expenditure. Okay, so in this case we have y is equal to, what is our consumption function, that is 0.8 y plus investment function is 102 minus 0.2 r. Okay, so transpose this here, so y minus 0.8 y is equal to 102 minus 0.2 r. Okay, so subtracting 0.8 y from y, we get 0.2 y is equal to 102 minus 0.2 r. So 0.2 can be written as 2 upon 10, which is equal to 1 upon 5. Okay, so we have 1 upon 5 y is equal to 102 minus 0.2 r. Okay, transpose this 5, it gets multiplied to each of these terms, so we will get y is equal to, so 5 2s are 10, 5 zeros are 0, we get 1, 5 1s are 5 minus, now 0.2 times y, so 0.2 is equal to 2 upon 10 times, if I transpose it here, it gets multiplied, so 5 1s are 5 2s are 2 and 2 gets cancelled, so we are left with r only. Okay, when I multiply this 5 with 0.2. Okay, this is our IS equation. Okay, so if I draw the simple graph here, so we have level of GDP or income on the horizontal axis and rate of interest on the vertical axis. So this is our IS equation, which shows us the different combinations of rate of interest and level of income where the money, rather goods market is in equilibrium. It is downward sloping because you can see the relationship between income and rate of interest is negative. Okay, so this is our IS equation. Now let's find out LM equation. Okay, so for LM, what we do, we know that money market equilibrium, which is our LM equation, it is in equilibrium when demand for money is equal to supply for money, that is money demand is equal to money supply. Now what is money demand? That is 0.25 y minus 0.25 r should be equal to the money supply, which is 100. Let us solve it for y again. So 0.25 y can be written as 1 upon 4 minus 0.25, let's write it as 1 upon 4, rather it is 2.5 given us here. Okay, 2.5. So this can be written as 25 divided by 10 or should be equal to 100. Here we have y. So 25 upon 10, we have 1 upon 4, y is equal to 100. Transpose this here, 25 upon 10 can be written as 25 upon 10, it is equal to 5 2s are 5 5s are, so it is 5 upon 2. Okay, so we get 5 upon 2 r. Okay, now transpose this here, this 4, it gets multiplied, so y will be equal to 4 into 100 is 400. Now 4 into 5 upon 2, 4 into 5 upon 2 is 2 1s are 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, so we will get here 10 r. So this is our LM equation. Graphically it will look like this: income on the horizontal axis, rate of interest on the vertical axis. There is positive relationship between a level of GDP and rate of interest in case of LM curve, so we have positive slope here. Okay, we got the IS equation, which shows us different combinations of level of income and rate of interest where money market is in the equilibrium. We have the LM equation which shows the different combinations of income and level of interest rate where the money market is in equilibrium. Now simultaneous equilibrium, that is our question. Evaluate the equilibrium values of income and rate of interest. Now simultaneous equilibrium occurs. So if we have y and r as our coordinates, so we have downward sloping IS curve and upward sloping LM curve. When we combine them at simultaneous equilibrium, what happens? IS curve should intersect the LM curve. Okay, since this is our IS equation, this is our LM equation, let us solve them. Here we have the same LHS, we can equate RHS. Okay, that implies 510 minus R is equal to 400 plus 10R. Okay, transpose this R here, 510 minus 400 is 110 is equal to 11R. Okay, dividing both sides by 11, we get R is equal to we get here 10. So rate of interest at equilibrium will be equal to 10. Now to find out the corresponding equilibrium level of income, put R is equal to 10 either in LM equation or IS equation. Let's put it LM equation, that gives us y will be equal to 400 plus 100 times 10. So y will be equal to 400 plus 100, which is equal to 500. Okay, so our level of GDP and rate of interest at the equilibrium will be 110 respectively. I hope I make myself clear in this video and you find out this video helpful. Thank you.